Sapatos ng mayaman, hindi mo mabibili kung saan-saan. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. Tara, unbox natin. So this is the On Roger Pro 2 in all white colorway. And the good thing here is, pang lifestyle and tennis shoes siya. Pero usually, ginagamit siya for lifestyle. Tara, check natin, close up. Kahit all white siya, medyo may pagka-yellowish. Yes, that's the design of the pair. Pati dito sa gitna niya. And there are also black labels of On and Roger. So si Roger nga pala isang tennis player sa mga hindi nakakaalam. And dito naman sa likod niya, ayan makikita mo, On, that's the brand of the shoes. Yes, Swiss engineering pa rin. Here's the outsole of the pair. So this was made for tennis, kaya ganito yung traction niya. And the tiny details na napansin ko kay On is the aglet niya. Meron siya nakalagay, put me on. Ayan. So very detailed ang kanyang design. So that's the pair. By the way guys, ang maganda kay On kasi hindi lang siya nag-stick to running, kung hindi nag-open din siya for tennis, for lifestyle wear, for hiking, for trail running, and also gawa din sila ng waterproof for the runners. That's the good thing about the On. And also, ang good thing dito is, dito sa colorway niya, talagang systemized na siya. Kasi kung makikita mo dito, ayan o, all white. Hindi na ako yung naggagawa-gawa ng kwento ng colorway na yan. Kundi si brand mismo na On ang nagsasabi kung anong type of colorway ito. Kasi unlike kay Nike, Adidas, wala silang systemized colorway name. So kung magbe-base ka lang sa name ng colorway, usually sa StockX, ganun. So that's the good thing about kay On. By the way, sa mga naghahanap na ito, meron to sa Collector Finds in men's and women's sizing. So if you want to purchase one, message mo na lang sila.